Hello everyone, I am Batmasri from 2nd BSc Physics. This is the video about migration and bird ringing. The prose Migration and Bird Ringing was written by Jamar Ara. This post tells about how, when, where birds get migrate. What is migration? Migration is the movement of either people or animals from one area to another. Migration can be used for the journey from one place to another or for the act of movement. Bird migration. Bird migration is the regular seasonal movement, often north and south, along a flyway between breeding and wintering grounds. Migratory birds fly hundreds and thousands of kilometers to find the best ecological conditions and habitats for feeding and breeding. When conditions at breeding sites become unfavorable, it is time to fly to regions where conditions are better. Migration is a natural miracle. There are many different migration patterns. The majority of birds migrate from northern breeding areas to southern wintering grounds. However, some birds breed in southern parts of Africa and migrate to northern wintering grounds or horizontally to enjoy the milder coastal climate in winter. Other birds reside on lowlands during the winter month and move up to a mountain of the summer. Migratory birds have the perfect morphology and physiology to fly fast and across long distances. Often, their journey is an exhausting one, during which they go to their limit. The red knot has one of the longest total migration route of any bird, traveling up to 16,000 km twice a year. It is truly amazing how migratory birds can navigate with pinpoint accuracy. Exactly how migrating birds find their flyways is not fully understood. Some birds make the long journey is easy stage, stopping to rest on the way. Others fly great distance without passing to rest and feed. It has been shown that they are able to orient by the sun during day, by the stars at night, by the geomagnetic field at any time. Some species can even detect polarized light, which many migrating birds may use for navigation at night. The bright light from a lighthouse near seaside areas can affect the bird's vision during migration. In countries like England, France, and North America, when the western gets very cold in winter, we have seen that rich people move to hill resort and live there when the weather gets hot in summer. Likewise, birds and animals also move from one place to another when the climate changes. It is one of the mystery of nature, and the bird are able to travel thousands of kilometers and come back to their original place at the regular interval. During autumn and winter, flock of beside move to southern warm lands and they return back to their spring and early summer. After some years of observation and study of these migrating birds, conclude that there is regular and systematic phenomenon about their behavior. Birds are not directly affected by cold because of their feathers covering warm blood, but in winter, getting food is not easy. If they do not migrate, they will get perish. So they have to fly over warm places. They are very punctual because they return to the original breeding ground with amazing accuracy. During migration, it is usually the young birds and they fly to right place covering hundreds of kilometers. They do not need any training in finding their direction during migration. Birds from north and northwestern parts of India fly to South India and Sri Lanka. Birds such as ducks and geese fly at a speed of between 65 to 90 km per hour, and some birds fly from 6 to 11 hours a day. Some birds can fly 885 km non-stop and the above 11 hours. Today, most of the information on migration has come from ringing young and adult birds. Ringing is done by capturing a bird and putting onto its leg or like band of metal or plastic. The band bears the number, date, identification mark, and the address to which the finder is requested to return the ring. The bird is then set free. The place where such a bird is shot, captured, or found dead gives a clue to direction and locality to which the bird has migrated. Birds are the beautiful creature in this world. Thank you.